Michelle here with Strawberry, and today I have another Operation Christmas Child unboxing for you. It is almost National Collection Week, so I am trying to get a bunch of boxes finished and completed and some videos up to hopefully give you some ideas when you're building your boxes. So this one is a boy 10 to 14, and it has a soccer ball in it, so this is what he's going to see. You open it up, so our big wow item is a soccer ball with a pump. We have a jump rope. His plush is just this funny little ball of fluff and fur. I just thought it was kind of fun. He has a bendable robot. He has a little visor type hat. So this box might have a little bit of a Texas Aggie theme because our jump rope is maroon and white. He has a pair of Texas A&M socks, and he has a little Texas A&M silicone bracelet and a little button that says howdy from Texas A&M. He has a big dinosaur. He has a little tic-tac-toe game that I made and I put in here. So on these tic-tac-toe games, I have an instruction sheet that's all pictorial, and then you use the bag as the board, and then I have washers and tile spacers. Gotta go pick that up. Washers and tile spacers as the tic-tac-toe pieces. He has a red flying disc. He has a notebook that says "Goat this done," but it's a pretty thick notebook, reporter's journal, kind of a different size of paper than normal. He has a puzzle, and I just put the puzzle in a baggie. This is from Dollar Tree, and I put a picture of what the puzzle looks like on there so that he can complete that. He has a little Rubik's Cube. My middle school students who are this age seem to be loving to do Rubik's Cubes right now, so I wanted to make sure that I included some Rubik's Cubes in my older boy boxes. He has a little cross necklace. He has a pencil case, and in his pencil case he has pencils, scissors, glue sticks, cap erasers, a pencil sharpener, colored pencils. You know what? I think I might throw a Sharpie in there too so that he can write his name on his soccer ball. And he has a full-length ruler with inches and centimeters. So I hope that this boy enjoys this box that's got a little bit of a Texas A&M theme. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a gigum or a like, and I hope this boy enjoys his little Texas A&M Aggie themed box. Toodles!